Because of Tim and Nikki Bowden's aggressiveness towards acquiring land without paying for it, I filed a motion for injunction to protect my land before I moved from Santa Cruz County in the fall of 2007. However, Judge Burdick refused, just as the other judges in Santa Cruz County, to protect my land, even though injunctions are regularly granted when a lawsuit is pending. Then within 24 hours, Tim and Nikki Bowden, built a fence directly on the property line of one of the disputed easements, which could affect my legal rights. Here we are looking at a paved road. This used to be a dirt bike path that cars could not use. And this is what the uphill neighbors paved without my permission. And when I asked Santa Cruz County for an injunction against them from paving the road, they refused to give that to me. So the prejudice in this case has been immense. If you study it, or any attorney would see if they look at it. A very well-respected attorney I use in San Jose continually says, "I'm amazed." When I told Tim and Nikki Bowden to quiet title about the easement that was discovered after the October settlement conference, Judge Stephen placed a financial burden on my shoulders and robbed me from using my insurance to acquire legal assistance by rewarding Tim and Nikki Bowden for not obtaining surveys, not recording deeds, and not initiating a quiet title regarding property they claim a right. In contrast, Judge Stevens granted an injunction against me for threatening to block the road through email to force Tim and Nikki Bowden to quiet title if they wanted to continue to use the road. Actually, quite amazing. So as the video is rolling, I'll finish up with video 6. As I just mentioned, my property is to the right here, and this is a road that used to just be a dirt bike path. This is a section of the road that the McKee family uses. And when I asked the seller, Mr. Haber, to tell me about the road, he's told me that only the McKee family used this road, even though the uphill neighbors by deed had a right to use this road, but had abandoned it for over 5 years. And instead they were using the long abandoned road that we looked at previously, but that road had no deed. And so I had no way of knowing that 5 families were landlocked without using my land. So I guess that's enough here. We can move on to the last video, and again, thank you for your time.